Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most start with today's news. So Pep Guardiola will be Manchester City manager. Don't come outside for the media setting, but they talk a lot of things about the title race. They tell us who will be the favorites, who will not be the favorites. So Babacon don't say Arsenal's hunger and the burning desire, you guys, don't make them the title favorite, because that desire and hunger, they make them be very, very enthusiastic to win the title. That is why Arsenal can win games in 96 minutes, 98 minutes, late winners. Against Manchester United, they did it. They won 3-2. Get all these kind of late winners, Bournemouth, get all these games, they are winning late. Why? Because they have that hunger. They don't want to be told no. And all the critics will tell them say no, if you win the title. For that reason, Arsenal are the favorites. 11 games to the dawn of the EPL season. They say then they don't win the team back to back. So that hunger, that desire, you know, really did, like it's a psychological thing, you know, really did for their own side, you get. But Arsenal, for the fact that it's been 20 or 19 years will be the last time when they win this thing, so obviously who will think they go get the better hunger to one win and they get the better desire to taste time, you get. And so it just be so. In as much as I know if we deny what's in the talk, it is quite true. That so at the same time, it can they dismantle some kind mindset, some kind of perception where they out there say experience. You need the experience to win the league. Say like people like Michael Richards now when they come outside they talk say Arsenal don't have the experience to go all the way and win the EPL title. Say Man City get the experience because they've been winning it back to back to back. At least in the last 5 years, they won it 4 times. You get, so for that reason, say Man City go for win. I call it to say it won't be about experience. It is about the hunger and the desire. If now about experience, why Liverpool go win Bournemouth 9-0 for the first leg for Anfield for this same season? They will come away to Bournemouth, they will come lose 1-0. Where was the experience that they used in beating them 9-0? So in this league, it's not about experience. See, there are a lot of things that don't happen for this season where we don't expect say it will happen. So for that reason, in the putting cap for the ring, say almost forget say in be Pep, be City manager. The truth needs to be told. Then Arsenal be the favorite. Arsenal on the other hand, if you ask them, I think I go talk say we are not focusing on the 11 games, so we are focusing on the next training session and the next game in our front. Get now go to the focus on, and the next game in our front is who is Sporting Lisbon, who will be playing on Thursday, which is the second leg tie. The Rovers will play the first leg 2-2. So now the mind games where they go back and forth. Now Pep go throw in on, Arsenal will respond. You get now Arsenal then get the chance to control him because after we play Sporting Lisbon, we are going to play Crystal Palace. Get you know with the play Crystal Palace, and Man City get FA Cup. Get so for that reason they can't postpone their own game where they're supposed to play that week, which means if we play now for win, we're going to 8 points ahead of them into the international break. Now if we don't go to the international break, everybody go down there fit and ready to come remain for the next 10 games. Now for that next 10 games, the next game will come play for April 1st. We'll be playing Leeds where they fight for their life for relegation battle. At the same time, Man City going to play Liverpool. So imagine if Liverpool can't beat them now, who will come beat Leeds, who will come 12 points ahead of them. You get with they'll come get one outstanding. That one will be devastating. I just see how it will be that because Liverpool says they fight for top 4, Man City they fight to keep the gap, they'll keep the pressure on Arsenal. So I don't know how it will be. Remember, so they go play Liverpool for Anfield. So all these permutations, all these connotations, variables, and they look all these things. Get I don't know the kind of grammar I will take knock out again because my body just distracts me. Because just imagine say Liverpool beats Man City get on April 1st, Arsenal come beat Leeds and beat Crystal Palace. Will be 12 points clear of Man City to understanding man. As of that time, I believe all the national dailies and all the football pundits everywhere in the world will say Arsenal. Oh yeah, when I just give them the title, when I don't waste my time again. So away from that, I know everybody knows say Arsenal win the match yesterday 3-0 against Fulham for the Craven Cottage. That match just be like an exhibition. Like what's in your rights they talk, it is just an exhibition. The first half was a masterclass. Like we teach them, we school them football, and sometimes we be like say all this opposition will they play like say they don't know how to play. No be so. Then sabi that because of the way they approach our games, we they dominate games from the beginning of the season till now. I don't think there's ever been a game somebody dominated us that much, except maybe in the early stands that will go play against Leeds for their own home. You get when Leeds one Pepe or so we struggle though, we still came out with a win. Apart from that one, I don't think there's any game we say okay against Everton itself show us Pepe. Yeah, so apart from that, I don't think there's really any big game where people really dominate us like that. So far so good. We played very well. Odegaard, fantastic game. Trossard, fantastic hat-trick of assists. In short, for those if you know even they are aware, Trossard don't create a new record in the EPL as the first player to go away and give hat-trick of assists in the first half of an away game. Nobody has ever done it. He just creates the record now. So okay, welcome to the record, and he don't score one goal now and give 5 different assists to get. He made 5 assists in the EPL. Odegaard don't get 6 assists. Granit Xhaka so far has 5 assists. Gabriel Jesus have 5 assists. So the guy has having a fantastic game. Even after the match, the post-match interview, so they call the interview Odegaard and Leandro Trossard. So Odegaard got to say almost say he enjoy playing with Leandro Trossard. Go ask him why. Because he's always ready for link up again. Because if you watch that match you play yesterday, there were so many link up between Odegaard and Leandro Trossard. Odegaard will just give him back. Trossard will just give whoever they for 9. You get so, and the person no go fit score. Go Xhaka me go one sweet chance. Maybe give Granit Xhaka. Odegaard give Trossard. Trossard just lay him for Granit Xhaka. Granit Xhaka just do. And nobody decide on time which leg he want to use before you know the leg just hit him. Keep a catch him. So you got to say he like Trossard because he's always ready to do a lot of combinations to get, and I'm very very happy. So we have so many people coming back from illness, from injury, and the return of Gabriel Jesus. Woo! What a return! If to say scored that in goal, if Fabio just live for him, it would have been the comebacks of comebacks. Like coming back from since injury will keep you out since November, on come back on your first match back, don't give actually go uplift in morale, like the confidence booster. But just unfortunate, he missed the chance. As he missed the chance, don't just come at my. I just remember all the chances when he missed before he go injury. That was why if you watch the full-time analysis show, I call the talk say it is quite alright. Say in the match rusty, he never really get the confidence, he missed the chance. But make it end here. Make it no go be a continuation of what's happened. I don't want a continuity of what has been happening. When we say they a lot of they prolific enough or clinical enough, you get. We don't want all those one. No. Make sure say as they come back now, at least if they give you 5 chances, at least score 3. If you know if score the 5, at least score 3. Don't say they'll give you 5 now, you go miss the 5 or you go score 1. I know they for that one, no, because the running where they enter now is very very difficult. And for you to come in now and come and dislodge the way they start, because for me I would have said even though Gabriel Jesus don't come back, when stay for bench, mostly they start with our first 9 flexible role of Martinelli and Trossard. Which 2 of them they enter there, they come out there. No really know who really did there, because in the past few games it has been working for us when they are playing. A match will be say Martinelli day, Odegaard day, Trossard day, the combination they match, because anything will make you bring in the Gabriel Jesus now, Trossard will go for bench now. So Martinelli will go for the left. So that combination may not really be there between Odegaard and Martinelli to feed Gabriel Jesus. Instead, I would have even said drop Martinelli on the bench, play Jesus 9, Odegaard normal position, then Trossard on the left, because Trossard combination with Odegaard can feed Gabriel Jesus. Now we'll see me just the thing, but I think I get the final say. So we'll see how everything will go. Alan Smith said, don't come and say I can't hail Arsenal after their comprehensive victory over Fulham again, because nobody saw them beating Fulham like that. The way they beat Fulham, like they beat Fulham like small picking, like Fulham don't know what they do again. It was very very sweet to get from an Arsenal point of view. Though they win, we won convincingly, yes, because and the winner no come play. Winner why they say will give us problem. They say they get back problem. You know, even there for the bench, winner no play, Paulie no play, so we just are strolling the park. Even Jamie Redknapp himself can't come and say, I call the talk, say Arsenal winning the title will be one of the greatest EPL achievements, because you don't take away Arsenal win the title. So for that reason, back on the talk say if Arsenal will win them now, say you go mad, it will make a whole lot of sense, because 20 years, 19 years, no be being 7 Manchester United almost this like 10 years when they win the league title, the EPL before. Easy. Not easy now. So if Arsenal can do it, it will be one of the greatest achievements. Something we say, when was the last time Wenger did it? Even you know we're gonna smell her. You know easy. So more just to take a game after game. For Champions League slots, I don't think we can end anywhere out of the top 4 you get. Champions League, that one don't they secured already. So now the league title they look so with that we feel get them. So if everything go according to the way I don't map you get, say we win, especially that Crystal Palace for Emirates, more winner, once we win 8 points clear of Man City. That pressure of that 8 points clear, you go to bust that brain. They against Man City, against Liverpool, then can't go lose or drop points. Who can go win against Leeds? The points go come extend again. It's going to mess up with that brain psychologically. So we'll just watch. At the same time, Jamie Redknapp himself can come again, call it and say Odegaard is the best EPL midfielder he gets. So the guy don't score 10 goals and make 6 assists. So the guy don't eclipse Kevin De Bruyne. Say because Kevin De Bruyne not really they play well, and Man City this season they've not really won like maybe 3 back-to-back games. He had they never gone a run of 3 or 4 games win straight win. See we now we don't go 5 straight win now. 5 straight win now we don't go now. So for that reason, call it talk say for the EPLO and in world football, say nobody comes close to Odegaard. The guy get vision, a seer, guy and visioneer. The zero die, they play very very well and they score goals. So what more can you ask for? They control games. That is why Arsenal can dominate games. Any game where you know they you go feel am, But guy na master class player, So what the decision could be. Even Marco Silva will be Fulham coach self. Come and psychologist say Arsenal deserve their win. We didn't show any fire against them. Like they just for that first half, that's stroll in the park for Arsenal. You'll be like training session. Arsenal control the ball. Arsenal supposed to do like 5 or 6 goals in that first half. They command their own goal, with jumper, many things will happen again. Second half was now a different kettle of fish because they don't re-strategize, change their position again. So as a company, I already talked and say no 2 halves are equal. So I was expecting something like that to happen in the second half. Second half, Fulham can't get more bites again. So the coach can talk say they played better in the second half, but to see as we don't play in the first half at least before they okay, but it was too late. They already chopped 3-0 and at 3-0 everything just ended. Today at the birthday of Olalekan Adetunji, one of our community members. So Baba will say may God bless you today. So wish you all the best things life has to offer and may all the lines fall in place for you. So happy birthday, boss. Yeah, man. Enjoy your day. For the media setting, they call ask Ateta about Gabriel Jesus, whether Gabriel Jesus will start automatically, whether I go get automatic shirts for Arsenal. So Baba can talk say nobody get automatic shirt for years. Say Gabriel Jesus go fight for in place. Normal go end in place. But I know say now another than a bobo, they will still give him first team shirt. Once he play against Sporting Lisbon, now he starts. Unload minutes for him body because he needs to load it. Get me the load minutes. If you can't load minutes, can't get back to match form, get match sharpness. Before you know, first team go there. Nobody will feel comfortable. So what you say Fulham's win was Arteta's 100th win for Arsenal as Arsenal manager. So I also want to hear and I'm very very happy for him. The guy get very very good record as an Arsenal manager. Arteta don't transform and it goes down to the buying players, buying the right player, buying the round peg and putting them in the round hole. Now what did Arteta do? Because all the players we meet in the past just say, oh, this shall never take me to the promised land. Imagine keeping a kid and Tierney on the bench, which means it wasn't good enough. See all the players who don't sell commerce, which means they weren't good enough. But see what we did now. They happy as we did first time. Man City they pursue us. When last that one happened? Nobody saw that coming. For those who know they are aware, so Arsenal they in discussion with Musa Diaby agent, say they would like to sign him. So myself, I want to say I go be. But they try to bring in a winger like Fabrizio talk. Fabrizio say Arsenal priority for the summer, winger and a midfielder. That will bring. Which other position we want strengthen? I think we need one striker at least. One striker, one main striker. We need a striker. If we get one striker, get one midfielder, we don't get. Then maybe get one winger because Champions League next season is going to be a banger. We know they go there, go complete the numbers. We won't go there, go compete. That's going to be what our mission next season. So me, I go there here, they analyze Champions League. More mad, mental. They bust my brain. So for Lani Balogun scoring 16th goal of the season for Rams. So I'm very very happy for that young man. People they talk saying he will come play for Arsenal at the end of the season. And for me, I will say no. But let's send him out on loan. Let's see what they develop. He's still young. Maybe go they develop. We don't need this caliber of player for now. Maybe go they develop and get better because EPL is a different kettle of fish. That French league on a shit packer league with that place. No competition there. Come EPL now. EPL now your mates. EPL no is you. So maybe just go to groom himself to do better. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.